This is the Cosen SH-700DM saw. On the control panel, we can move our vices in and out automatically. And we can move the table in and out for mitre cutting. It works in automatic and manual modes. And in the background you can see a bundle clamp comes down automatically. It also can be shut off and removed. When the vices have reached pressure, we hit the start button. The blade will automatically start. There are two dials on the control panel. One is speed of feed and one is pressure of feed. Speed of the blade is controlled on the control panel by a simple dial. You can see the RPM there is 48. I've now speeded it up to 67. When the saw completes its cut, it'll automatically return to a set position designated by the operator. By this stop. The saw can be set to 45 degrees in the right hand position and 60 degrees in the left. It's moved by hand.